Years ago, I had a week where I saw a reversal every single day. Monday, catch the top, stopped out. Tuesday, cut the bottom, stopped out. By Friday, I take 9 trades and every single one of them felt right. It took me years to understand what that week actually was, and by the end of this video, you'll see it too. I'm going to show you why your brain invents reversals that aren't there. The one tail smart money leaves behind when a real one is coming. How to recognize the exact conditions where you shouldn't be trading at all. The tool that spots all of this for me is free. Link below, and I have some more at the end. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain is built to see turning points. Millions of years of evolution trained it to find patterns, even where there are none. And in trading, catching the exact top doesn't just pay, it feels like genius. That feeling is the problem, because your dopamine rewards the gamble and not the process. So when price push up fast and you think this can't go higher, that's not analysis, that's hope. But it gets even worse, because there's someone on the other side of your trade who knows exactly how you think. Every time you short the top, your stop loss sits just above it, and you're not alone. Thousands of traders put their stop in the exact same place. Those stops are orders. Orders are liquidity. Liquidity is fuel. Smart money can't fill massive positions without it. So the market doesn't reverse where you want it to. It reverses where enough traders have been collected. Your reversal signal isn't a signal, it's bait. Therefore, the real question is never, does this look like a top? The question is, how do you know when the big players are actually done collecting? So here's the tell. Correlated markets are supposed to agree when the Nasdaq makes a new high, the S&P should make one too. They're driven by the same money, same flow, same news, but sometimes one of them refuses. One market sweeps the high and its twin says no. The refusal is called SMT. And psychologically, it's the most honest thing in the markets, because it means somebody very big just stopped participating on one side. The crowd pushed one market to a new extreme, but smart money quietly stepped away. The market just lied, and for once, the lie is visible. And this is when the moment arrives. After that refusal, price doesn't need to fight anymore. One side of the market is empty, orders there have already been collected. That's what a low resistance liquidity run is. Price moving through space where nobody is left to fight it. And this is exactly what our SMT detector is built to catch. The moment conditions flip from collecting to running. Notice what this does psychologically. You're no longer predicting, you're no longer hoping. Entering here doesn't require courage, because you're not guessing the turn, you're joining the run. But here's the part almost nobody talks about. Sometimes the detector fires on both sides. The Nasdaq refuses one way, S&P refuses the other. Divergence up, divergence down. Within the same session. That means nobody is in control. No accumulation, no direction, just chop. Hunting stops in both directions. Remember that week I told you about? 9 trades, 9 losses. All felt right. Years later, I looked back at those charts. Both sides were firing all week. The market was screaming, stay out. I just didn't have anything that could hear it. That week wasn't a strategy problem. It was a conditions problem. So you might be wondering, why do we use a tool for this instead of our own eyes? Because in the moment, you are the worst judge you know. Mid-candle with money on the line, your dopamine outvotes your discipline every time. You can't out-discipline your own brain in real time. Nobody can. But you can take the when decision away from it. That's what this is really about. I always say fix the head and not the chart. Well, this is how you protect the head you fixed. Let the tool guard the trigger so your psychology can't touch it. So you don't need to predict reversals to make money. You need to stop needing them The SMT detector does exactly what you saw today. It shows you when the run starts and when to leave the market alone. It's free, link is below, you can drop your TradingView username and you'll have it on your charts today. Let the market tell you when it's lying and when it does, and you will finally be on the right side. I hope you all like this video. Leave some thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.